Hello guys, today in this tutorial we are going to start learning C programming language. So I'm gonna start Turbo and here it starts. And first I'm going to write the whole program, and I promise you once I write the whole program I will make you everything clear. So keep patience and start. Hash include stdio.h hash include cin.h print. So this is a basic syntax of writing a C program. These files are called header files. A header files are also a C program in which we define functions, and with this hash include directory we include these header files so that we can use their functions in our program. Like for instance, this printf, this is a function. This is a function that is stored in this header files. So as we included this header files, we can use its function, which is printf. That one is stored in this header file, and this this one is console input output header files. Many functions are also stored in this header file, so we can see that character. And this is a data type. There are 32 data types that we use in programming, in C programming, and this one is function. Whenever we start a C program, we have to declare main function, and everything we done in main function is our main program, and whatever we write in main function, that one will actually compile and run. So main function never when main function has not any parameters, we cannot give any parameters to this function. We will discuss it later when we'll start running function. So this printf and get character is basically our statements. These statements are our main program that one will execute. If we do not write this statement and we compile it and run it, this, as you see, we just saw flash and we cannot see whatever happened. And yes, this printf is a function. This printf is basically a function that is used to print you want. Like for instance, we wanted to print hello world, and we write hello world. And if we want to see whatever we have done in program, we have to declare this function. And now if we compile it on F9 and run, so you can see hello world, that one was printed last time, and this hello world, that one is printed this time. And if we again run it, we can see first time, second one, and this one is last one. So if we see this so blurry and that all, we can simply declare a function here called player screen. If we compile it, success, run it, so we can see console is entirely clear and we will see only the function we have wrote. So if this, if you didn't get it, I promise you, you will get it soon once we start learning some more advanced techniques. So thank you guys for watching, and please share it and subscribe to my channel.